Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a e-state business website in Wix. First, you have to sign up with an account, and then you have to select the site you have to develop. I am here selecting real estate as the uh, real estate. As you can see here, many things coming. You can just select anything do you want. I am selecting here landing page. You can select real agent, agency, developer, anything that you want. Then go to next. Then name your website. Like example, I am here naming my site as your properties. Like I'm naming, for example, you can just name your site that you want to build. Here is asking like what you want to add to the site. I am adding like forms and online store. You can just add all these things that you want. I'm doing next. Then here it is asking to like set up the dashboard or begin to template. Like I am building begin to template. You can select the whichever template you want. I am selecting this template. As edit, I can edit this template. As you can see, the editing mode is on in this site. Okay, so let's edit this template according to us. Our editing is ready. Just we can zoom in and select the example. Like we have to edit this. We can just cut and write here. Like it is not coming. We can just change the color. I'm taking theme as a white. We can just change your propy. Like we are making your propy site. Okay, just we can edit or more things. We can add maps and we can do whichever property you are select. You can add photo here also. You can just go to quick edit and change. You want to import the files, you can import and you can change it also. Okay, you can change the contact as also, like about. You can just go in this. I can add. I'm writing hello everyone. I'm writing this. You can write anything that you want. Okay, about us, you can just click about us and you can change all the things that you want to change just by using this cursor. And you can add as the map also where you are located. You can just select, like you can just change the address, the title and all things. Okay, so we can add some elements from this tool also. We can also add music videos in this. I am adding this video. Here it is added. I can just put it here. Like if anyone view my site, I can just do. Okay, you can add anything that you want. You can change this number also by just clicking like what number I want. I can just write toll-free number and we can customize all things that are visible to the site. We can just change like your property. Like we can do like this, and we can also add sections if we want. Like it is about section, teams, promotions, services. Like we can also add subscribe also. Like below contact we can add like this button. Just add, it's, I think it is added, yes, it's there. You can just add. Okay, I am, then you can just do publish. You have published your site. Here the link came. Okay, just we can go visit site. This is our home page. Okay, this is our link. You can purchase your custom links also. Here we have to like video. We can play this video. We can play this video, and we can just add our name like this. We can add our Gmail, whatever our Gmail is. Okay, like add Gmail and our messages, hello, and contact our agent. We can just like thank you for subscribing, it came. Okay, then you can just sign up also for latest updates. I am writing. You can just click on sign up and then it's submitted. Okay, you can just use this site as a real estate. You can see as our site is built very easily by wix.com, and we can also go to dashboards here and check our all the things that we have done. I'm going to dashboards. Here the dashboard have came. We can add our products and shipping details, but we don't want to add. Just go to contacts. Like see this, here is our, like this is site member. You can see added. We can add or more sites and contacts. You can see the inbox. Go to inbox, conversations. Yes, you can see as I have subscribed to this, I can just view this contact. Okay, just visitor this, we can chat. Okay, example like I am writing hello from here, it will go direct to the viewers email. Okay, you can just customize here from all. If you find the video helpful, then please like, subscribe and share this video.